So, welcome to today's mini tutorial for Sonity, where we look at implementing heartbeats in Sulfur. So, the awesome developers of Sulfur have added heartbeats as a screen effect, as you can see. So, it starts blinking, and if we go even lower, you can see it starts blinking even more rapidly. I'm just gonna eat some potatoes here. Yeah, and as you see, the health increases, the screen effect stops. So what we want to start with doing, I'm just gonna pause this. There we go. I have some heartbeat sounds here. I've already designed in Reaper. So we want to start out with a bass ka-thump sound, and then as you get lower health, we're gonna pitch it up, and we're gonna add a high intensity layer, which is basically a reverbed part and a more wide heartbeat. So we'll just start out with the rendering here. There we go. And then we can press Ctrl-Shift-W to automatically create separate sound containers and a common sound event. So now we have, I just need to unpause here. There we go. I want to pitch up when it's in high intensity, so maybe 6 semitones. We can try it out. Yeah, sounds good. And then I also want to lower the volume of the bass intensity, and when we get to higher, to make room for the high intensity one. So I'm just gonna lower this. This was the original setting, so I'm just gonna lower this a bit so it's not completely muted. And yeah, we'll just do a bit of this. Yeah. Yeah, so now it's gonna be lowered at a higher intensity, maybe lower a bit more. And then we can take the high intensity. We only want this to come in at the highest intensity. So we're just gonna maybe get that fading in a bit sooner. And now we can try it out together. I think that sounds good. So Dash has implemented this function here. So I've just expanded on it, adding a SoundParameterIntensity, where we set the intensity from the full screen effect, and then just play the sound event, passing the intensity parameter. And now we just need to drag this asset. So we'll just put it over there. And that should be it, actually. So we'll try increasing the... I was close to death there. Yeah, maybe just lower the bass a bit more. Something like that, yeah. And then if we eat some potato. It's gonna start crossfading back to the bass version. And slowing it down, pitching it down. And there we go. Thanks Perfect Random for making the awesome game Sulfur. See you in the next one.